Nashville Tower, 434 Echo Papa's ready to return to BNA.
Street 4767, contact departure, good day.
Good day, 4767.
Southwest 2157, Nashville Tower, RNAV to GoGoo, runway 20 center, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to GoGoo, 20 center, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2157.
434 Echo Papa, do you have the field in sight now?
Have the field in sight for Echo Papa.
November 4 Echo Papa, clear to land runway 20 center.
Clear to land runway 20 center, 434 Echo Papa.
Okay. I'll handle most of the landing this time.
Okay.
We usually use a little bit higher speeds out here because we just are able to fit in with the rest of the traffic a little easier. Plus they end up treating us a little better when we do.
Most of the traffic's commercial?
A lot of it is, yeah. As you remember, when we landed out at Gallatin, we were using 70 knots as approach.
Yep.
South 2162.
That runway over there?
It's on the right side of this runway right here. We're actually like a right base for it. We'll be turning right towards it.
I see, yeah. We're just crossing 13 though. Most of the planes just 2 and 20?
Well, it really depends on the winds. But yeah, a lot of times they do.
Right, so have you got the plane right now?
I've got the airplane.
Okay.
Tower, good morning, sir. Station 812 Hotel Alpha is waiting for the center.
Station 812 Alpha, Nashville Tower. Good morning, runway 20 center, clear land wind 26016.
Clear to land on center, Hotel Alpha.
We got a little crosswind from the right. Okay, we get rid of the power here. We slow our descent. Hold it off the runway as long as we can here. Now we'll let the nose come down on its own. Flaps up.
Echo Papa left turn, taxi to the hangar, you can just monitor the ground frequency, no need to call.
Okay, left turn, taxi to the hangar, and we'll monitor ground for Echo Papa.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay.
Double student, you did a great job coming in to land.